Hello, a few days ago I got this wig from Superhairpieces, so come do an unboxing with me. The first thing I saw in this wig is that it comes with a tag on it that says the model of the wig and the color. In this case is EUVogue and the color is 1016. This is a short wig with highlights. It's really cute. And it has a lace front and these silicone strips that help a lot for the wig to stay in its place. It comes with these elastics too, so you can choose where and how it fits better. So I will try it on for the first time. As you see, it has a lot of volume. I want to show you the lace front that is so natural looking. You can't even notice it's a wig. And this lace front, once you put it on, you try it on, you decide where is the place you want it to start, you can cut it off and it will be so natural. So as you can see, the hair is premium Remy hair. It's so soft and it's so pretty. You see the color that is so pretty with these highlights. So this is how the wig looks once I finished washing it and styling it. This is the haircut. The color, I will show you from the back. So if you like this wig, you can find it in Superhairpieces page online. I hope you like it.